Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
The Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise, and the CEO of Woman, Edo State. Yes, ever since then, we believe that elections are over. It is now time for us to come together as a team to achieve our goal and objective of moving Edo forward. Some few days ago, I posted a video where I was holding a meeting with a professor of information communication technology all the way from India, my ally in Lagos, and some others who are stakeholders in our proposed project to address the security challenges plaguing Edo. We believe that it's time for us all to join together as a team to move our beautiful state forward. But at least it is very expedient that while we are calling for peace and tranquility, it's our responsibility to jealously and collectively defend what we all fought for. This is bringing us to the discussion today, which simply means Obaseki remains the project. I've received series of calls. Some are saying, comrade, you are a businessman. You are supposed to jettison politics. You are a businessman. The truth of the matter is, 90% of the patronage we are getting in our various businesses is because of the fact that we took part in what is moving Edo forward today. And at least, to some extent, in as much as we are playing our politics, we don't insult people, but we have a responsibility to tell those who tend to pass through the back door into Osadebe Avenue, we have a responsibility to tell them, you cannot get into Osadebe Avenue through the back door. Now we've engaged in a popular vote. In Edo State. And there was an overwhelming victory on the part of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. Now the question is, are you now trying to take through the court to get into Osadebe Avenue as against the views and opinion of the overall majority? The point is very clear. These persons were not privy to the fact that Obaseki is very intelligent. Some are saying, paste your result. Where is your result? What else are you looking for? You accuse the man of peddling a fake certificate. You accuse him. It is not left for you to prove that such certificate is fake. Why will you not be calling on him to sample his certificate? You were the one who alleged. Because if you follow the court proceeding, now I will get to the court issue. I will not discuss in details because none of us have the right whatsoever to discuss an issue that is already subjected to litigation. But the truth is very clear. As far as we are concerned, for those who alleged that the certificate of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki is faulty, you are in the best position to provide an overwhelming evidence to show how faulty the certificate is. The question now is, how many of you have seen this certificate? You've not seen, but you allege that the certificate is faulty. Now you have decided to digress from your initial stance. Now you are now saying, check the NYSC period and this one. Does it tally? What we heard from you guys from the initial stage was that the certificate is questionable. Now you are not looking at the year, the month, and the day. Now the alma mater came out through the office of the registrar to say that the governor of Edo State is an alumni of their institution, and they've been able to certify the certificate of his excellence. The question is, what else are you looking for? Now you said the result is fake or the certificate is fake. You now come and prove, instead of you calling on the governor to separate certificate. I will speak to the certificate is everywhere online. Go and check. Now, for those, the reason what prompted this video today, I have received so many calls. Comrade, we are Jetri from Edos in the diaspora. Comrade, we are Jetri. Comrade, are you sure? Now, let me tell you, do not worry yourself about Obaseki's certificate. Let me tell you, in case you are not aware, everything about Obaseki is intact. This is the only country where those who their primary six result is still under question. Those who ran to court to say, hello, court. This issue related to my certificate is pre-election era. The court, they ran to Abuja, to President Jonathan and everywhere. All in a bid to subvert the will of the people. These same people, persons who were not able to come up with a member result. Those who went as far as burning a full education ministry. Today, questioning the certificate of an academic gladiator. Some persons will say, comrade, some person called me to say, comrade, are you not joking quiet? What we should see, rest your mind. Rest your mind. It is Obaseki till 2024. No matter what they do, they can't pass through the back door into Sadebia Avenue. Now, if you are following up, the case against Obaseki by one small miscreant in respect to the elections of Obaseki has been struck out. I believe that one will be looking for a way to go to appeal. So if you are afraid, bring down your mind. The truth of the matter is very simple. If you look at the elections in the past, the propaganda you saw in the election, is it not bigger than this propaganda that you are seeing today? We want you to move on. He will go. He won the election. He will go. He sustained the state of assembly. He will go. He was re-elected. The same he will go, they are still telling you now that they are going to remove him from court. The question is, are they the judge? Did you follow the case all through? Nemo Judas in Kaseswa is a Latin maxim, a legal maxim as well. No man shall be a judge in his own case. Audi Alteram Patent, you must hear directly from the party first before judging. The question is, have they even started a case? Have Obaseki come out to provide his defense? Relax your mind. This is a message to Tagbarians worldwide. Relax your mind. The election don't finish. The next election is going to take place in 2024. The next election is going to take place in 2024. So bring down your mind with the fear, no level. The truth of the matter is very simple. The truth of the matter is very, very simple. We are not here to attack anybody. We are not here to insult anybody. We are not against anybody. But that idea of saying that people want to pass through the back door, go and sleep with your two eyes closed. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Obaseki is there. It's not Imo State. This is not Imo State. This is Edo. This is Edo. So they will tell you, we join it with the judge. No. Come and prove your case. You said the result is illegitimate. Now you've digressed to say, okay, let's say it is legitimate. Now, why is it that session in the year 1961, the NIC 9 year, was that your case from the initial stage? Was that your case from the initial stage? Ask yourself this simple question. Now today, you already knew that it will not work. Now they are saying, in the years to associate. Ask yourself this simple question. Who else have the right to validate the certificate of an individual? Or didn't you hear the question that the judge asked yesterday? Are you not aware that their witness openly said that he has not seen the certificate with his own eyes? How did he not forge certificate? So I'm using this opportunity to call on those who are calling me. Relax your mind. You should begin to plan how you're going to get a CFO on your land. Forget. See, I was part of those who fought this government. Everybody knew. And we were part of those, despite the collaborative effort from all our sundry, we were still part of those who made it possible for this government to come into being. Not to Sakonobodi alone, but I said this before, now I'm going to repeat it again. 65% of Obaseki's returns to power came from those in the diaspora. 65% of Obaseki return to power came from those in the diaspora. It is the truth. The truth is very clear. It is very clear. These same people, when will you campaign? My friend, my elder brother, my elder sister, my cousin brother from abroad said we should go and vote for Obaseki. They said we should go. So what else? 95%, 65% came from them. If you check the amount of resources where diaspora spend in this, Obaseki cannot spend money for election. He spent money, 9 people go to spend 50,000 naira for a polling booth. He not share 1 naira, but yet he won. Yet he won. If you go and check, go to the diaspora and go check what individual invested in this election. You point for it. So people there now logistics they put for their whole community. Anybody who want to vote, come and carry them to this. They as in they spend. They spend hell. So you cannot tell me, say, you come go say you want to go follow back change. It can't work. The only people the court is not for Christmas. Never that what not appears. You cannot give what you don't have. The court is not for Christmas. They'll just come to say take. No. It's not for Christmas. The registrar of the institution came up publicly to say this result, this certificate of Mr. Governor is legitimate. He's an alumni of our school. Who else will the judge listen to? Will you go and listen to one man who is fighting for his personal ambition? Or the other one? I don't want to talk about anybody. Election is over, but I'm only here to guarantee you guys. Togarians worldwide, bring your mind down. Nothing they happen. Every day, Obaseki's election is the 2024. Now, some people say, why did the governor went to court to stop the process? Now, let me tell you the simple truth. For now, it will be difficult for Obaseki to work. This is their plan. A man that wants to focus on development, even as they have been fighting this man from history. Sorry, let me correct that statement. We have been fighting him from history. The goal is stomach infrastructure. It is the truth. Now we not change, including me. I didn't remove myself. I not change to say no. Let's do what is right, and we have decided to do what is right. This man has been under onslaught from time immemorial, from the very first day in office to date. From you are building your personal structure, No, I'm not building structure. So you must leave. So we must impeach it through the House of Assembly. Till date, the fight is still on. To date, the fight is still on. So it will be difficult for this government to work, and their goal is they want to prevent him from working. Despite their effort, go and check. Edo is now a construction site around all nooks and crannies. Some persons came, some great women of inestimable value came all the way from diaspora. They know what they saw on ground. As we speak, Obaseki is not only constructing road, new communities are being opened. Iriri, Obasagbo, Awogba, Okaroma, yes, Okaroma, Obayanto, down to Sapele Road has been opened. Through to Ologbo. Go and check now, nylon everywhere. What about the likes of a K1 road? Project moving. Checks all nooks and crannies of the state. So they just want to give a problem. But what I believe is very simple. A victor is never afraid of his victim. So I want to say this to all Togberians worldwide. Election is over. Believe that statement. Election is over. Not your fear. They not see. Mona relax on my because of your this side. Somebody you're coming. I heard it is another matter. I want to. We say, comrade. Yeah, you know, comrade. Are you sure? No, bring that your man down. Bring that your mind down. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria told the APC and the candidate of the party to say, we are not going to court. This man will beat you. It will beat you. Now the question is, a man who has served his first term is now in his second term. He's now in the second term. Now remember, this same case, they launched him against her in the past. You don't see the light of the day. So why on earth will you be afraid? Bring your man down. Did you see that office? Now my salary come out your now my salary. Nobody can take over that position. If that position belongs to Edo people, and Edo people saddle it on the hands of Governor Obaseki. So come on your eye for them because that one now my salary. You never reach to counter my salary. None of us don't reach to the counter my salary. So come on your eye there. Obaseki 2024. Obaseki till 2024. Please share this video. Share this video because so many have been receiving calls. Hey, come to help. We're sure. It's the same way they wanted to kill you with hypertension propaganda. Let me tell you, Obaseki is not giving me money directly, but I'm benefiting seriously in this government. Do you think I would be happy to see that this news, the currency of old policy in Edo State breaks down? Do you think I would be happy to see that the CFO policy, where because it's one of the basic desideratum of my business. So if Osakwonokwodo is doing CFO, can keep calm. If Osakwonokwodo is the CFO man, can keep calm. You'll be like saying nothing they happen when they do my CFO, they go, hey. You need to your rest your man. Okay, you expect after election that you're going to sleep, they know fact. Fact must continue, no you worry. But keep your mind down. Nothing, no, they don't fit. You know, I want to work. How you want to work? How? So y'all know your dread. Relax. When the time comes, you go know whether I'm true with the talk or not lie. You don't see the trend for the election. Eh, the dread. He. See them. See them. See them. See them. See them. And they dread. I hear the laugh. When the election happen, you don't see the margin. In fact, that's why they make noise. Now only Oshomole. Now if he deliver a donut. That's why you can. The true knows not talking. If you know how to analyze politics, you can't underrate Oshomole, because politics is in my senatorial district. Inside that senatorial district, if not because Philip Shaibu did it, that man for 2 poor result come out. Philip no agree, but Oshomole deliver the 5 local government they don't. The one way say they contest election say they get enough him win your own big unit. So they win enough him win your local government. Enough him winner. The local government lose car. The one who beat the marginal. Then you fear their recent propaganda. Relax. Now Facebook. Now immediate talks. Who get data? They call you come talk. Who get data? They call you come talk. Even Airtel data now call you be with the cheap. I just jam one expo because the area where me did now, my normal MTN only work. So now Airtel, and they used to do this life. I can see jam one expo. They pack the data and so people talk about it tomorrow. So every individual get right to come back and say, you can't use matter the church sheet. The question is what you are saying true? Do you have sense? That is just the question. Do you have sense? Not to come back on the way. Do you have sense? So bring your mind down. Obaseki certificate matter now, my salary. Then they come on right there. Before the election, Obaseki don't know say that Yawa will come. They don't already prepared. He said, go and show us your result. Why I go show you results? If not me, I'm not going to show you. What do I want to show you for? Now you say it's not correct. Go and prove it. You never see me when you say it's not correct. That's the truth. Now you say it's not correct. You have a responsibility to go and prove. Not for you to say it's not correct. Bring a mercy. You never see how you tell you say it's correct or it's not correct. So go and prove. When the time comes for Obaseki to submit his defense, those certificates will come in. But for now, you said the certificate is not true. You have a responsibility to prove if it is true or not. Please click on your share button. Click share and invite your friend, please. Because many Togberians, some they shake. Not they shake, not politics. Obaseki, where did they follow the fight? He married the last person. Why did they shake? Best way that they follow the fight. He married the last person. No shake. I know the male with the fight. Why did you do like that? The black you don't know will be okay. The secretary to the state government. Many of them don't know. We only know the quiet man, but I don't know saying a strategist. Now this one be a Oshomole machine. You know, say when people back to their rally, you know he no be okay. More not to praise anybody, just watch and see with you. Go and relax your mind. The political festive level is still intact. You know, be doing it. Go relax your mind. They can to go on an APC man, but relax your mind. Your phone will ring. Your phone will ring to tell you, see, when they stroke their guy, when that small boy we say run for governor, they do cry. They never, I think he had to cut down. He had to cut down when they stroke out in case. May happy again. Make it quiet, listen. Just relax your mind. Not just fear. Now wait till I come out here, I can't discuss with you this evening because they called out too much. So I will say, come on, you know you're going to talk again. You know they talk again. Oh, you know they do all the business. Come not be so. Come and not be so. Both my comment section. Come and call no. Come and not be so. Come and no. Are you where I relax? No, we not relax. we know. Now court matter. So I only come here and you say, bring your man down. Nothing will happen. Obaseki to 2024, go and mark it. Now say you say they want to remove Bayelsa State government. So relax. Relax your mind. That's deep. As the CFO man in those states, I want to tell you now, I want to tell you, first people will not really know. Make I talk from my own professional angle. Are you aware that under Oshowole's government in the past, this CFO is this CFO don't know PDP, don't know APC. I went to CFO office, I want to do live video yesterday. They said no. Despite the fact that this place is equipped by the government, it's not a partisan agency of government. So anything related to video, except it's strictly my own work, they won't allow it. And they never knew that it was strictly my own work, because what I do is, if I blow Qatar in respect to my CFO business, I show it so that all my clients can be carried along in the process. I know if you say, I don't do one, and you know they see the process. No. So I try as much as possible to use camera in all what I do. Now, are you aware that under the Oshowole administration, this CFO document we say, governor decides so. If you see the offices where they pass, all of them will deliberately delay. May you come settle. If you reach this office, they will pause. You go pay settlement. You go enter this one, you go so. You go pay settlement. You enter this one, settle. After all said and done, you ended up paying over 2 million naira for just a CFO for 100 by 100. All those GRO, for you to get CFO, it is about 11 million. This CFO, when you say, I say you will pay 11 million naira. You may not still get CFO. You know, rich one. So your money will be even guaranteed, say you will get. But under Obaseki government, the most expensive thing where poor man not forget, Obaseki reduced that multi-million naira CFO to 50,000. Now some people will say, but they say CFO 50. How come we can't pay all that money now? We can't. No. Let me break it to you let me quickly tell you now. It's just like you want to travel to America or UK. They say visa fee is 64,000. Then when I apply for America, yes, 64,000. America will tell you, give us your supporting documents. Now, it is expected of you to have survey on your land. Whether you want to see or you don't want to see, you are supposed to do as you buy your land. Before you even pay, you're supposed to have a survey. That survey will reflect the survey coordinates, the plan number, and your pillar number will reflect on your agreement. Now, when you don't do survey, they tell you see for 50,000. They tell you to give us your survey. You must pay to go and do your survey. You are not paying the governor the money. You are not even paying the GIS agency the money. You are paying the Nigerian Institute of Surveyor who will launch it. That is not a state government. And you are paying the surveyor who carried out the exercise. Now, again, they will tell you, pay a tax clearance. Otherwise known as development of 100,000. That single tax clearance will cover any other number of land that you have, for as long as your name is written on it. The same name. Then you will say, okay, now at the end of the day, come and pay for assessment. Assessment is charged on the basis of the use to which such land is being put. Ask yourself a simple question. If you have a residential building, 100 by 100 assessment is no more than 30,000. If you have all the requirements, 80,000 will bring your C of O, 100 by 100. But if you don't have all the requirements, you don't pay tax. You must pay tax of 100,000. You have not done survey. You must do a survey on your land. As we speak, survey is more expensive than CFO application fee. But the CFO is the strongest document as far as land administration is concerned in Nigeria. If a governor can reduce that, I told some people during the elections, I said, indirect employment that Obaseki has created is larger than the number of employment created. I will state it categorically clear. Even members of the APC who are fighting the governor are doing CFOs. It is an indirect employment of them as well. These are people fighting the government. Government cannot employ everybody. But a policy framework, how many persons think of CFO in the past? When the governor noticed that the problem affecting Edo State is land administration, he immediately come out with a ban on CDA. Then he reduced the cost of CFO application to the barest minimum that even a market woman that is selling Gary can have a CFO on her property. The poorest of the poor today can have access to CFO. Now, when you want to do your CFO, you consult to Sakurokudi. Is that not an indirect employment? Those who are fighting Obaseki, they are all into CFO business. Indirectly, they are being paid salary by the Edo State government. It's either it is foreign exchange as a result of policy framework, good policy of the government. Now, as of today, I am the CFO man. If the CFO process is as rigorous as it was in the past, will I come and say the CFO man? The answer is no. Those, I am saying this today, those, apart from those you know on media, there are so many persons who are still doing CFO in Edo State who are not on media. Many of them are even members of other political parties. Some of them are fighting the government tirelessly. But the question is, because of the policy framework of the government, they are feeding their families with the CFO. Government cannot create direct employment internally. So when Obaseki said that I have attained the 200,000 jobs, I mean about 157 if I'm not mistaken, they say, hey, who said all of them want to see people working in ministry? Will I not say that Obaseki has not employed me? I have been employed. Are you aware that since the end of this election, I have not gotten the chance to go to government house? Not because I don't want to go to government house. Which time? Now me when people don't already pay money for say go and do my survey and my CFO. Now I go government, I go to sit down. When clients full everywhere, where they give me support, I'll come carry check, go sit down and government, I come and say, I don't like the way this man behave. I don't have that time for now. I do not have that time. I have been engaged by this administration as the CFO man in those states. So these are one of the mechanisms put in place by the Obaseki administration to better the life of the people. Ask them. Now, if you do a CFO for someone, I said it from the initial stage that I will not bill anybody when it comes to the issue of CFO. Apart from my normal professional job, survey, I will tell you this is the cost. And I will tell you the both. Choose. Do you want your survey to be lodged or you want it not to be lodged? When you say, I want my survey to be lodged, I will tell you this is the amount. And I will tell you, after 1 month, go and confirm. I cannot collect money from you. And at the end of the day, I will not do exactly. That is that. So as I earlier said from the initial stage, I said, I will not bill anybody in respect to the CFO. You use your conscience to give me whatever you choose to give Osakwe. That was my first statement after the elections. During the election, I was telling everyone, I'm into CFO, I'm into this, I'm into that. This has been my job as a sitting communal vice chairman in the past. Yes. So apart from my professional capacity on land as my academic profession, I did the manual one. You know, if you tell me about community at all, now me tell you, say they'll use one paper and sell the whole community. Somebody reported to me. You saw a video I posted. No, I didn't post that video. He reported to me, called me today to say, "Comrade, I want you to do my CFO, please." I gave my lawyer money. Lawyer ate my money. He didn't even went there to pay. A real lawyer. Now the truth is, in a community issue such as that, many of these when you go give them, some people now they get land documents. We be say go for everybody, make problem no go come, say they go court. That document cannot fly. You get some document when you submit for court, they don't take. Court will not even admit it. Lawyer will not get see. Some people they don't go computer center, they go write the transfer. They'll go red input, red sticker. They'll come up, they'll say, hey, now that is a useless paper. Lawyer not get see. Some people will do something. When you give the survey work, they define red see 300 naira. May they come and put. No, that's not to confirm lodgement. When they don't finish, they use spit, gum red, this thing put for the no silo. They just say sign. They'll say, oh, I don't buy land. They carry paper. They go. You are not carrying any paper. That way you carry so now some more. But these lawyers won't tell you. And if they, now, there was still a case. Somebody get provide a deed of transfer. Yes. Is that a deed of transfer? I consider approval. Because deed of transfer can only come in when the land involves third party. You do not need a deed of transfer or deed of conveyance when you are buying directly from community. The community will only give you an approval. Now, when I see this one third party, they bring approval. I check the approval. One name. I check who sell land, another name. No correlation between who sell land and the approval. And lawyer write that document all because he want to collect money. Lawyer wrote the deed of transfer. They said, he shared and said, this one go you. The question is, how many of these lawyers agree go court? Lawyer collected money, writing a nonsense when there is no correlation between the deed of, between the approval in the deed of transfer and the seller of the land. But the right agreement. That one now, if not maybe we can explain to that one now, they can't begin to swing into action. That night, other people like that now they'll carry people for shoulder. They say, I don't buy land. I don't buy. You know, I've not bought a land. That is the truth. Now, if you check your Basekis administration policy, when it already observes, say, some people they sell one land for 10 people. All of them they say, there was a guy who called me for survey. If you see the land, that land, we call them policy plan. When they approve plan on that particular land, along the road. Now tell them, say, come. This along the road is going to cause surface. You don't get CF, we say no. Nothing. You need to be fast. You not going to know, say, person, they follow you, they drag this land until the day you want the foundation. But Obaseki tries to sanitize all this. Can reduce the CFO so that when you buy, some people say, I want to go dig foundation. Money want to do CFO. You know, rich people go do foundation. My dear, foundation is not a guarantee on land. Now who gets CFO get that land? These are part of the policy of your Obaseki administration. Now, when you submit CFO application, before, they'll say this money to sign, you go give them this one. It passes through process. Are you aware that today, that your land will never apply for CFO for? In the GIS office, every land in Edo State has been captured digitally. Before we be analog, you spend 11 million, you never get CFO. As we speak now, your land has been captured. Ask those people waiting to the CFO. Many of them not really see no one like that too. But they're very sorry to say, it's not as if I'm saying that I mean no apart. Why they're very careful, because some of them think they'll come watch my video till they follow me, till they talk. But I will tell you the simple truth. The Obaseki's policy, as we speak, the whole land in Edo State is with the GIS. You own to come identify yourself and to say, now me, buy this one. None of the issue you see of UFO. Those fighting the governor, they are into CFOs. So if people like us relax our minds, say calm down, despite the fact we have benefit, you should know that nothing they go on. Nothing. You want to bring in new papers, you will spread that opportunity. Somebody say, please, is it possible for your agency to give CFO to one land? Yes, when the government, CFO, no, they're not the issue CFO anyhow. So you don't pay, you apply, no means you only apply. Your application might not be granted. When they say you want to do CFO now, you apply. You cannot go and do CFO on the government land. Because you pay money, you're expected to give CFO. There is no two CFO on one land. Like the CFO when they have midday now, have the CFO here. Like the CFO when they here now. No other person, even God forbid bad thing, Jesus Christ cannot have a CFO here again. It cannot happen. No two CFO on one land. When he does it, it's finished. So that is why it takes time. It's about the law says 3 months, but when they put up 4 months because of the backlogs of so many with the grant, they must investigate. They don't have to say come and test CFO. It can't happen. It can't happen. They will investigate. So when they issue out to you, it is finished. So you say I dig foundation and it's not my house. You feel they stay as for 30 years. Somebody will come with CFO, you collect them. Now I did survey for somebody yesterday. My client who returned from diaspora. Where we go survey, the person who get that place bought the land over 40 years, more than 2,000 plots. Community now return back, say they want to refight them. The person my client followed by. At the end of the day, went to court. The guy buy and farm land, the other time they sell land 30,000. Now the guy they sell land now for community now. He don't want community to be precise. Everybody know this case. They drag this man to court. The community drag him to court. Say no, the plot too big. Then the matter say I'm not ready to relinquish, and I paid and I did survey. I have a CFO to the land. Court rule say give him his land. Now he they sell land now for Igba. Now because of his CFO. So if you not get CFO, if you not get CFO, you get house, you build it. You not show say that you get forget. Your foundation cannot secure it. He who owns the CFO owns the land. Quick plateau, solo said it. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached to the land. So those fighting the governor of Edo State knew these policies. These are indirect employment. So when Obaseki tells you, I have created 51,000 jobs, 57,000 jobs, if they say no, tell them you are part of those who have benefited from the job. All jobs might not be direct. There are indirect jobs. Now, when a job is created here, let's say 10 persons is employed into the Ministry of Finance, for an example, and someone somewhere is selling abacha close to Ministry of Finance, and the person in Ministry of Finance comes to eat abacha on a daily basis, that's an indirect employment created. Because if the man who has been employed cannot come out to eat abacha, you can't get money. So that we call direct and indirect employment. That is why SMEs, small medium business enterprise, as the case may be, is being respected in the Western world. They are the builder of the economy. That's what Obaseki is doing. That is what Obaseki is doing. So when they say, Nala, I never created a job, tell them you have benefited from the job. You have been employed by Obaseki. See, let me tell you, if you like to construct the whole road in Edo State, you put street lights in the whole street in Edo State, and you refuse to educate the people, it's either trailer jam the street light, or the citizens will come and go thief within the street light. Somebody asked one question, say, I will come back to it and say, can the CFO be transferred when selling the land to someone else? Very good. Yes, but the transfer, you cannot single-handedly say, I have a CFO on this land, I sold to you now, take my CFO. No. That same person can still claim that land from you. Before then, when you are buying such a land, that CFO the person has will be transferred to you through the office. Government will be aware that the transaction went on. Government will say, Mr. Paul, you want the CFO before. Now, we want to take the CFO to Mr. Peter. They are taking that CFO from Mr. Paul. They will issue you that same CFO to Mr. Peter. Now, it's going to be a change in the nomenclature. Government will withdraw the previous. So there's no way they can bring another new CFO to that land. No, it must be from that. You see, even this process is even more expensive than normal CFO application. Many of this information that I'm dishing out, you are supposed to call me to hear it. I have my reasons. It is good for all of us to be in a business. It's because only Osakonopoli cannot do everything. That's the truth. But know what you are doing. Know what you are doing. That's the important. So if someone say, okay, Osakonopoli, tell me now, I will. Because I paid school fees for it. That's the truth. But you can't just get it like that and still be claiming that Wode. Somebody say, my guy, if person gets survey but no CFO, can community collect the land? See, let me tell you, if you survey land, you not get CFO on that land, and you go court, and the court see your survey, you can as well win based on say you get every document. But if somebody come go get CFO, dear bros, that your survey go ahead, he will win. Now who gets CFO? Now get land. Although we are not here to discuss about CFO, it's only part of it because it's one of the policy framework of the Obaseki administration. And the likes of Osakonopoli have been indirectly employed. Now, who are my employee? As we speak today, in the course of my working exercise, I have more than 10 staffs working with me. I am not paying them with my personal money. It is what I get, I will channel and pay my staffs. I will pay my staffs. My staff eventually gets home to feed their family. Ask yourself a simple question. You that commissioned us to carry these tasks wants to have a CFO. Those we are going to start to work for you. People are working with me. These persons are feeding their family. Do you know the number of employment that you have created? You, apart from the government now, because you are bringing in your resources to the consortium. We are paying both those who labor. On a daily basis, the employment continues to strive. Those who are fighting the governor, who is still exploring from the CFO office, have at least 2-3 persons working with them. This is what this government has achieved. So if they are talking, tell them you are benefiting from the government as well. through indirect employment. That's the truth, and nothing but the truth. You have benefited. So that, as far as I'm concerned, the truth is, this is the only country where those who have questionable characters and certificates are not questioning the legitimacy of an academic gladiator. Obaseki is a gladiator, that's the truth. That is the truth. I'm not here to hear him. I will not say, Obaseki, now you know. Since after the election, I never found out when they ask him. When they share food for Gomez, for the S-months, I not go. I not go say, may they give me one. I not even go. I not go. I know you're go because no chance. The governor engaged me. Edo people engage me. The point is very simple. Engage is there. That's the truth. That is the simple truth. I not get chance. I not go lie you. I thought people engage me. The government engage me. The point is engagement is there already. See, some people will say, why this man? They always say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. My dear brothers and sisters. My dear brothers and sisters, I will be the most ungrateful person on earth. Not in Edo State, on earth. If I not acknowledge the effort of Edo people in my life, I will be the most ungrateful person. In fact, God knows He forgive me. Because I know. That was why I came out to say, if I'm doing CFO for you, I'm not saying I will do it free. I'm not, if you ask me, say, what is your service charge? Don't force me, I know. I have no service charge. Give me what you choose to give me. Because we benefit from you as well. As we speak today, the survey comes. See of us. Osakonokoni mawamuna. Osakonokoni mawamuna. Osakonokoni mawamuna. Now Osakonokoni won't give. Now Osakonokoni won't give. My dear brothers and sisters, am I perfect? Now because all you two in my head, no. But Edo people deem it fit to say, commissioning, as we speak today, is as far as CFO office is concerned. When it comes to person where they do CFO there, and for this year 2020, 2019, I top chart as number one, not say second. Then after all this, I can come and say, Edo people is not me, I'm working for them. No. No. I may be working, but it is help because that work is available everywhere. I may be working inside the work, but it is help. Because that work when you talk so, other people deal with it one. So they give me not be say I too sabi. But at least to some extent. I know if you bear and say, I not say thank you. I know fit, sorry to say. I was not born to be an ungrateful person. I know if you bear not to say thank you. Whether you don't give me work, you never give me work, thank you. Whether you bless me, you never bless me, thank you. Do you know why? When somebody say, I want to give Osakonokoni, some people they date the way they don't want to give me. They don't want to do their own. They can just sit down and say, I better not give her me. Oh, one give me, no, give me again. So even you will never give me. You don't sit down where a person won't give me, you not discourage them. Thank you as well. Who not do today, go fit do tomorrow. Who not do you today, go do tomorrow. But for we to discuss, you conclude, say, I will call you back. And later you call me back. Nobody discourage you. And people, they were supposed to discourage you. They refuse to discourage you. Those kind of people too. Even if they never give us work, thank you. Thank you. Because you don't sit down where you supposed to spoil them. Say, not give up. That's not why they do like this. That's why they pray. May God not give me any opportunity to form or to raise myself past as I be. No. For me to raise myself past as I be, anything you want, give me that opportunity. May God block them in Jesus' name. And night I talk this word so in Nigeria. Anything will make me say, and what can I say? Now maybe you suck when they know me everywhere. May God not let me get that in Jesus' name. Amen. I don't want to be proud in any way. Any success, any benefit, any goodies, we want come. When at the end of the day, I'll go raise shoulder. May God block them from my life in Jesus' name. I don't want to raise shoulder. I don't want to raise sugar. Now tree near tree. Now make more kid if you jump from tree to tree. And I don't want to use my mouth to sing my praise. I like praise, but it should come from. And I don't want to see go collect person grace. Tell you something do my own. But they'll tell this person thank you. I said, I thank me, leave that one. May God not let me get that opportunity. We don't hate anybody. We don't hate anybody. But we are here to speak the truth. Me as I did yes. I know, what you want to go talk about, sir, we be saying me don't already tell you. I don't already tell you now. Which other thing I want to go do hard? I don't tell you, say as I did. I know as I did now. I know they prepare for live video. See, I'll say, give me the powder. Please help me with the top. I want so that they will think that I don't need that. I say, you see this my way so. If they my man like dynamic, I do one. If you not my man, I don't listen to your own. I go do one. I don't go do one because you not my man. But the truth is this. I don't like to live original life, the way I ought to do. So I don't need assuming. So that's why 24/7 I must thank Edo people. I have my reasons. No understand. No bosak we no kwodi yo izagodo yo wibaro. No wopaseki yo izagodo yo wibaro. No we viadori yo izagodo yo wibaro. The truth is simple. I am glad, and may God continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. While I was in school, sorry, a call just came in. Sorry, please. Sorry. While I was in school, back then, I have my fellow students here. They are watching me. Me, I know Sabi came in. Sorry. While I was in school, I have my fellow students here. Then, so if I'm lying, they will speak. Then, who happens to be one of the students, let me not sing my personal praise, but I think when it comes to academics, maybe we still try. We are having the thought that as soon as we round off for school, me or say na share one for work. The guy, my number one rival there for school is Ogbekile Oyodunmaike. As I say, I'm not forgetting him. After about 10 years of graduation, Ogbekile Oyodunmaike. Amen. Now my rival for school there. If he gets 18/20, I'll get 18/20. If he gets 19/20, me will get 19/20. Sometimes if I get 19.5, he get 19 with the pay now. Because I was na competition friends. Now we make for academics, for school. So we dey fight. We want to make sure, we want to make sure say na him. Me want to make sure say, but the difference between me and him, me and those men, that guy now be say, he not the street. This small pikin was Akunokudi, na street man. So that was it. We want to go as we just graduate. Na shell. So I say no, na chef when they go. I say me na slot better. You know, say na only bottle, you know. I owe your company there, man. My brothers will run door. Boy, no level. Those job up 0, no level. Even people if I even first get job, now people wey dey spare for class. Connection your truly. People who know say they spare for class. Now they first get job. No level. Now we just started to do us. Then at the end of the day, we can't get patronage like this. You say, we will not say thank you. If we not say thank you, we are the most greediest person so far in the world. So, I don't people to be sincere with you. I am tied to you. I only pray. May God just give me the ability to stand out and make I not fail, may I not disappoint those who repose confidence on me. I not tell you that. I not go tell you that. The love is overwhelming. I dey feel am. It dey hit me. I dey see am. Why they do like that? Why I go remove Okporoko? I been not watch Okporoko video. I been at the shoes. I been at the regard when the talk come out. No rest. So all this one make we know say we owe ourselves the responsibility to continue to thank Edo people. I'm very grateful. The only the patronage, as in, it's just after the election too. Now Edo people say, okay, now we are not saying we want to come and dash you money. We want to bless you with what you know how to do. Comrade, go do my work. Comrade, go do my work. Comrade, go do my work. It is sweet. It is sweet. Go do my work. It is sweet. So said the wait for me. Don't wait. It must be Sakuno. See, I beg. I say thank you. I say thank you, Edo people. I say thank you now. Get well. We don't see our own feeling more go fold our hand. No. Now what we all fight for Obaseki to be. As he come, forget about business. We will still defend that thing because now that bond, now all of us together. So my dear brothers and sisters worldwide, the truth is clear. Go and relax your mind, you can't remove Obaseki. But get it clearly. I am most extremely, if there is any word that can be used to address my statement now, use it. I am most grateful to you all. I am most grateful to you all. I just pray, not God and beg, because I be human being. Maybe say, person where they believe, make it not pull life from my head. 1 and 2, may God just protect me and guide my step. Make I not disturb when those will repose confidence on me. Hey God, that one just the beg, because it's sometimes they say if my phone off, I'll be happy. Say no, me off and I say off. How they happy? Yeah, see, your job want different control. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Did I tell you that I'm tired? No. I need them coming. I need them coming. That one overwhelming support. Nobody let me this state. Some people they give me work said their brother, their own friends somewhere they do that work. They'll say, but give it to Sakuno. So I want to say, no, you they feed my family. I know tell you say today. I know your day. Anything you know about me now, you know me not there. Anything you think about me, so this boy, this one, they do. Now your own thinking, but to me, no, as in no level. For me, not the truth. I just try my best on my own. But when you talk so, do you know that as today, if you molest Osakunopodi, the world will react. Who be me? Say you molest Osakunopodi wrongly, the world will react. The question is, who be me? Then you say, at the end of the day, me no go fit come out. Come say thank you. Whichever way you look, my own view of this issue. Whether you say, hey, you say you're the salute everybody. I mean, in life, everybody get what he defines is the truth. More not pretend. But the truth is, me know. Now me get myself, I know what I talk. Me know how things they go. If not be able to people rest. So the truth is, we must stand to defend what we ought fought for, with this Obaseki, our governor. At the same time, we must move this our state forward. I personally plan and say this evening, I really need to come and go address some issues. Keep your finger crossed. Edo must move forward. But the truth is this. I believe the election don't end. But I tell you now, say, when it comes to the issue of this project, Obaseki, if you come that area, that means you want to come to our eyebrow, we will agree, we will respond. But we will not come out here to say, this man, they mad, this one, they play. We know they do this one. Everything gets easy. Maybe I do one before, but I'm not sure say I don't ever tell anybody, say, you the man, I've not done. Or because they are winning, I have not done it. Check all my videos, I can't do it. But we'll punish you with the truth. So other people, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Osakunopodi, really do appreciate. I think some persons called me. Sorry, the network was bad, to say, Osakunopodi. Osakunopodi. Do give away for us now. The truth of the matter is, to whom much is given, much is still expected. So maybe myself still try do for the one with me, those people with me pass, to make it be sharing. I'm not going to announce that one. By the power of God Almighty. So let's keep calm. Don't be afraid. Go back to your normal duty. Go face your job. Obaseki is the project in 2024. No dispute. No fear. Relax. Insurance cover us. Someone says, Stanley, calm down. You are benefiting from Obaseki's government. Keep praise. Okay. Yes, you are right. I am benefiting from Obaseki's government. As of today, as a CFO man, at least, if I do like 10 survey, I can still say, okay, I still get more money. No Obaseki policy. So you are right. Then when I see what is good, I will not say bad because I want from hatred. Say because as far as we know, say governments have failed. I will say, okay, since I already hate government, everybody will be God. When you be governor and one hater. No. Let's judge by the truth. If you tell you they put water, put light, people will come to destroy it because they lack the maintenance culture. They will come to destroy it. Maintenance culture is not there. So you must put in policies that will enlighten and better the lives of the people. The people will in turn return to the street to create positive impact and development. So, in a nutshell, ipso facto, I came out this evening to discuss about this, and I want to say a big thank you to you all, and those worldwide, Nigerians. Thank you. Thank you very much. I am indeed very, very grateful. And I will continue to remain grateful. Some persons have been asking for my number. My number remains 070-3610-9939. That is my WhatsApp number. Then you have 080-7974-2172. 080-7974-2172. I still have one new Airtel number, but that one is not with me now, but it's on WhatsApp. But if you want to get it, you go to my wall. I have on Facebook now that you're watching me. For those watching on YouTube, you just check Comrade Stanley Sazo Sakwonopodi Facebook page. You see it. You get the Airtel number. Reach out to me. The hustle continues. Thank you very much. Good evening, and have a lovely night rest wherever you are watching it from in Nigeria and in diaspora, whichever the climatic condition or the nature of the time. Thank you. Remain blessed. The number still remains 070-3610-9939. WhatsApp 080-7974-2172. Good night and bye for now.